Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the RingCentral application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If the RingCentral application is not working as it is supposed to, then this is probably because your application is out of date. So in order to fix this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in RingCentral and search for it. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just go ahead and tap on it and then wait for a while until the installation is complete. Once the update is done and you see the open button, you can go ahead and tap on it, and this will open up the RingCentral application, and now it should be working just fine as it is supposed to. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the RingCentral application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.